Are your leg days leaving you sore but not seeing the desired results? What if I told you that your legs could be the talk of the gym? Today, we're jumping into a leg workout that will transform your lower body routine. This isn't just another workout video, it's your ticket to sculpted, powerful legs. Let's break down our leg workout, which you can do twice weekly. We'll share a workout plan at the end of this video, so stay with us until then. We'll focus on strength and muscle growth, targeting quads, hamstrings, and calves. Workout 1. We start with squats, the king of leg exercises. Focus on depth and controlled movement to activate those quads. Here's how to do a proper squat. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body as if sitting back on a chair. Keep your chest up and core tight. Push through your heels to stand back up. Next up, Romanian deadlifts for those hamstrings and glutes. Keep a slight bend in your knees and hinge at the hips. This stretches and activates the hamstrings. Lower the weight down your legs, feeling the stretch in your hamstrings. Then, engage your glutes to stand back up. We are moving on to the leg press. Adjust your foot placement lower on the platform for more quad emphasis. Push the weight away, then slowly lower it back, emphasizing the importance of controlled movement. Don't let the weight slam back down. For our fourth exercise, we have leg curls. These isolate the hamstrings beautifully. Use a slow tempo when lowering the weight. This maximizes hamstring engagement. We'll finish day 1 with standing calf raises. Focus on a full range of motion. Go up on your toes, then lower your heels below the platform. Squeeze at the top of each rep for maximum calf activation. If this content has been helpful to you, we would appreciate it if you could subscribe to our channel. Now let's talk about workout 2. We start with goblet squats, a great quad activator. Hold a dumbbell or kettlebell close to your chest. Squat down, keeping your back straight and chest up. This front-loaded variation targets those quads. Next, we have Bulgarian split squats. These are fantastic for building single leg strength. Place one foot on a bench behind you and the other foot forward. Lower your back knee towards the ground, then push back up. Focus on driving through the heel of your front leg. This activates the quad. Our third exercise is leg extensions. These isolate the quads like no other exercise. Sit on the machine with your legs under the pad. Extend your legs, pushing the pad upward. Pause briefly at the top for a solid quad contraction. Lower the weight back down slowly and control. Next up, Glute-Ham Raises. These are challenging but incredibly effective for hamstrings. Start by kneeling on the pad with your feet secured. Lower your upper body towards the ground. Then use your hamstrings to pull yourself back up. Control the movement to activate those hamstrings fully. We'll finish workout 2 with seated calf raises. Sit on the machine with the pad on your knees. Raise your heels as high as possible, then lower them back down. Focus on a controlled tempo and avoid using momentum. Workout 1. Squats. 4 sets of 8 or 12 reps. Romanian deadlifts. 4 sets of 10 or 12 reps. Leg press. 3 sets of 8 or 12 reps. Leg curls. 3 sets of 10 or 15 reps. Standing calf raises. 3 sets of 12 or 15 reps. Workout 2. Goblet squats. 4 sets of 10 or 15 reps. Bulgarian split squats. 3 sets of 10 or 12 reps per leg. Leg extensions. 3 sets of 12 or 15 reps. Glute-Ham Raises. 3 sets of 8 or 12 reps. Seated calf raises. 4 sets of 12 or 15 reps. You can incorporate this workout twice a week, allowing yourself 72 hours between sessions so your body can recover. A nutrition tip. You should consume carbohydrates 2 hours before training to have the energy needed for the workout. Oatmeal, brown rice, and sweet potatoes are good energy sources. This will help you perform at your best during exercise. Always start with 5 or 10 minutes of dynamic stretching or light cardio. This increases blood flow to your lower body and prepares you for the workout. Focus on proper form to prevent injury and maximize muscle engagement. As you get comfortable with these exercises, gradually increase the weights. This ensures you continue building strength and size. And there you have it, a comprehensive leg routine to transform your lower body. Stick to this plan, and you'll see real, tangible results regarding strength and muscle mass. These are not just promises, but the potential you hold in your hands. Remember, consistency is critical. Check out the chest and triceps video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts.